Hi, I'm Al Forster. A few weeks ago, in a group that I was on a Zoom meeting with, I talked about making a COVID-19 mask very quickly, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, and you're done. It's very inexpensive, and basically it allows you to have a high-tech mask at a very low price. First of all, I take a water bottle. The thinner the better. This happens to be a Kroger bottle, and I have a pair of scissors. So I take off the label. Basically, I take and use this kind of a pair of shears, and I cut off the top about right here. You want to keep most of the neck of the bottle because then it fits snugly around your nose bridge and basically allows you not to fog up glasses if you have glasses. Basically, then I take and cut it along this one side and the other side, cutting it so that half is a little shorter than one side and the other half is a little longer than one side. You'll see why that's desirable next. I then take and cut it to about about half of the bottle length. It kind of depends on how large your face is. What I do then is use a razor blade knife and cut out the center of the plastic so that I can take a piece of a HEPA filter bag. Basically, this is a vacuum cleaner bag. I take out the insides of it, cut it to the shape of this device, like so, and then use the other side, which I've cut the center out of, lay it over this. I then take some cloth. This is a highly absorbent cloth that's used for chamoying, and I cut a piece that's about the right shape and size for the outside. Now I have two layers, a HEPA filter layer on the inside and a cloth that can allow air through on the outside, and I use a glue gun to glue the top and bottom so that it isn't removed. I then take an auger, which is right here, cut a couple of holes in the edges of the plastic and put a rubber band through it so that I can have this around my neck anytime I'm using it. So basically, when I'm done with this, it fits over my face. It fits snugly. I breathe. I am actually drawing in the HEPA filter material so that I'm actually breathing fairly effectively through it. And because of the shape of the plastic, it works fairly well. I use a couple of pieces of packaging tape, basically like this, to hold the inner plastic to the outer plastic sheet so that I can then flip this up and replace the HEPA filter material if it gets too damp or gets torn. I then use another piece of tape on the other side to hold it in place. So the whole idea here is, with just 15 or 20 minutes of your time, you can create a fairly substantial mask that has no parts that are either rubber or plastic or cloth, and can be microwaved, or you can spray a Clorox bleach solution over it after you're done using it. And basically what it gives you is a mask that you can put around your neck and use it over and over again. And it's very high tech because HEPA filter material from a vacuum cleaner bag actually will trap 99.9% of any particulate, even as small as the COVID-19 virus. Thank you.